Hello there, welcome to the first weekend. Most of the work was removing panels, floor, and other small stuff, and overall cleaning of the van. The panels were unfortunately attached using the rivets and took a lot of effort to remove them. I used the drill machine to remove the heads of the rivets so I can take out the railings and eventually the plastic panels. Next step was to remove the division wall. So most of the nuts came out easily, but a couple of them were without the head, so I had to cut the heads into them to open. Next I removed the passenger seat. After that I give it a basic vacuum to remove the big parts. Removing the floor took a lot of effort and time, as it was factory glued. The van was quite dirty and needed a lot of time to clean, so I decided to give it a pressure wash. To remove the water from the corners and the edges, I used the air pressure gun. Next step was to paint the scratched and unpainted metal to avoid the corrosion. This was the result of the first weekend work.